Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Cesar. Thanks for being here. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and on this channel I teach you strategies so people can make money online, and today I'll talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing. So let's do this. Okay guys, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy on how to make money with affiliate marketing. And as you can see in the screen, the only thing that we need to focus is on drive traffic to the hub link. And if someone buy you through that hub link, you are going to get here a commission. And between the traffic and the link, you need to put here a landing page so you can collect the lead or the emails. So in the future you can promote other products and you can give your subscribers valuable information. And now the question is, guys, how you can collect the leads. And for that I have been using the GetResponse software. And basically I have here all my email lists. We're going to click here in lists, and you can see I have here in all kind of niches, and also I can write emails, I can set up autoresponders and automation workflows. And I want to show you these, guys, because this is a very powerful strategy. I'm going to click here in the Commission Hero Pro workflow. And as you can see in the screen, if someone subscribed to the Commission Hero Pro via any method, the GetResponse is going to send an email automatically. And this is the PDF Commission Hero. And then it's going to send the letter CH1. And after that, GetResponse is going to wait for 1 day and send another email, and so on and so on. So basically, you need to set up this workflow so you can only focus on the traffic source. So right now the question, guys, is where do you find the products that you can promote? And for that you can go to clickbank.com and you can sign up here. And ClickBank is a global retailer, and you can become an affiliate and start promoting these products. And other example is the JVZoo. You can start for free here. We have another example, the Digistore 24. You can register here. But I want to show you another strategy, and this strategy is the launch jacking. And basically you go to the marketplace and find the products that are going to launch in the future. Why? Because if you're going to promote a product that is right now in the marketplace, you're going to have a lot of competition. Then a product that is going to launch in the future, you have less competition. And I want to show you this, the Chris Munch, the local cycle. We're going to click here. Guys, the front end price is $3,495 and the commission is 50%. And if you want to promote this product, you only need to click here. You need to put here your name, your email address, and you are going to be added to the launch list. So right now, guys, the question is, how do you promote these products? So I'm going to show you. This is a strategy that I have been using. Basically you write articles, and these articles are reviews for these products. So I'm going to show you my WordPress dashboard, and you can see these are the posts that I have created. So I'm going to click here. This is the local cycle review for this product. So I have here all the information, and I have optimized this article for a keyword. And the keyword is, we're going to go to the bottom because I want to show you. This is the keyword, the local cycle review. And when the company launches the product in October, because I have here the information, in October 12th, the people are going to put in Google, we're going to put the keyword local cycle review. And you can see in the screen we have here all these articles, and I have my article in the 10th spot of the first page of Google. And that's how you can promote these products that are going to launch in the future, and also you can promote the products that are right now in the marketplace. So if you don't have a domain, or if you don't have a WordPress site, you can go to Google Sites, and Google allows you to build a website for free. You can see I have here, this is my website in the sites.google.com, and I have here my hub link for the Commission Hero Pro. So if you have any question, guys, you can put in the comments below, and I will be glad to respond to questions to help you in your journey. So talk to you soon, guys. Bye.